When you have a stubborn clog that a plunger just can't handle, a drain snake or auger is the next tool to reach for. It can be incredibly effective at clearing blockages in sinks, tubs, and showers. But using it correctly and safely is key to clearing the drain without damaging your pipes. Before you begin, prepare your space. Put on gloves and eye protection, and place some old towels under the sink or around the drain to catch any water. Most importantly, never use a drain snake if you have recently poured chemical drain cleaners down the drain. The combination can cause dangerous chemical splashes. For sinks, you'll have the best access by placing a bucket underneath and removing the P-trap. For tubs, it's often easiest to go through the overflow plate. Slowly feed the snake's cable into the drain pipe. Keep feeding it in by hand until you feel a distinct resistance. That's the clog. Once you've hit the clog, position the drum of the auger a few inches from the drain opening and tighten the locking screw. Now, begin to slowly turn the handle clockwise. As you turn, apply gentle, steady forward pressure. Think of it like a corkscrew. You are either breaking up the blockage or hooking onto it. You may feel the resistance lessen as the tip breaks through the clog. After turning for about 30 seconds, loosen the locking screw and slowly retract the cable. As you pull it out, it will likely bring some of the blockage with it. Clean the end of the cable and repeat the process if necessary until the clog feels clear. Once the drain is clear, reinstall the P-trap or overflow plate. Then, flush the pipe by running hot water for several minutes. This helps wash away any remaining debris you've loosened and ensures the line is completely clear. A hand snake is great for simple clogs in a single fixture line. However, if the snake gets stuck, if the clog won't break up after several attempts, or if multiple drains in your home are backing up at once, stop. This indicates a more serious problem, likely in your main sewer line, which requires a professional. Forcing a small snake can damage your pipes or get it stuck permanently. For stubborn blockages, mainline clogs, or any plumbing issue that goes beyond a simple fix, trust the licensed experts. The team at Black Mountain Plumbing has the professional equipment and expertise to clear any drains safely and effectively.